You may think of inflammation, the pain and swelling that initiates the healing process after an injury, as a necessary nuisance. But do you know that research shows inflammation can cause or contribute to heart disease, cancer, depression, sleep disorders, bone loss, and even diabetes? Chronic inflammation wreaks havoc on the body, and you may have it without even knowing. Inflammation can be caused by tissue damage, bacteria, diet, sugar is a notorious culprit, lack of exercise, smoking, environmental factors, allergies, and autoimmune diseases. While it is true that a brief inflammatory response initiates the healing process after a stress or trauma, such as an injury or even intense exercise, there is no physiological reason to allow inflammation to persist beyond a few hours. In fact, allowing inflammation to continue or progress may lead to chronic inflammation, the kind that can destroy your body and wreck your health. Let's take a step back and look at how inflammation develops. When body tissue is injured, the damaged cells release chemicals that cause blood vessels to dilate, vasodilation, blood flow to increase, and capillaries to become more permeable. This allows white blood cells and hormones to move in. White blood cells eat germs and damaged cells, allowing the body to heal. Fluid accompanies the white blood cells, causing swelling to the area. Swelling leads to increased pressure and pain, limiting range of motion. This is why you limp, for example, when you strain knee ligaments. Chronic inflammation occurs when the body generates or continues an inflammatory response where the threat is only perceived. The white blood cells that rush to the area have no damaged tissue or bacteria to attack, so they often attack internal organs or other healthy tissue. This is the case with autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, Lyme disease, lupus, multiple sclerosis, and scores of others. What is the best way to treat inflammation? Ice has been used for years to treat it effectively, but it only results in local relief of the iced area. In order to achieve systemic, whole-body relief, studies indicate the body must be exposed to temperatures of minus 110 degrees Celsius, minus 166 degrees Fahrenheit, or colder. Temperatures that obviously cannot be reached with an ice pack or an ice bath. How can you get there? Whole body cryotherapy, which uses nitrogen gas to chill the body to the level that triggers a systemic anti-inflammatory response. Cryotherapy triggers this response by shocking the nervous system into believing the body is freezing. The brain then sends signals throughout the body that cause blood vessels in the body's periphery to constrict, to force more blood to the core, and messenger proteins called cytokines and interleukins to be managed in a way that shuts down the inflammatory response throughout the entire body. At KryoVitality and Clive, we have had scores of clients report dramatic relief from inflammation resulting from intense workouts, arthritis, autoimmune diseases, etc. Many claim that whole-body cryotherapy is the only thing that relieves their inflammation. Further, instead of the negative side effects associated with drugs, our clients report side effects such as improved sleep, fat loss, and enhanced energy. Professional athletes such as LeBron James, Floyd Mayweather, Cristiano Ronaldo, Von Miller, and hundreds of others take advantage of whole-body cryo to recover from workouts. It allows them to work out hard, recover and flush inflammation faster, so they can continue their intense regimens without the risk of developing chronic inflammation. Several pros and even more amateurs in the Des Moines area frequent KryoVitality for the recovery benefits. Whether you suffer from autoimmune disease, an acute injury, or just want to perform and feel better, you can likely benefit from whole-body cryotherapy at KryoVitality. The process is quick, safe, and affordable. You can give it a try with our intro offer. First session for only $35. Freeze your inflammation before it damages your